Just like your wardrobe needs a seasonal refresh, your Pinterest account deserves the same spring cleaning treatment. So let's ditch those dusty old pins and make room for fresh, engaging content. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jen Vazquez, a Pinterest marketing expert for busy service providers. I offer done for you and done with you Pinterest solutions designed to drive consistent traffic to your website and attract your dream client. Would you like to learn how I can free up your time while growing your business? Click below for a free discovery call. Spring has sprung, and it is not just your closet that needs a refresh. Your Pinterest account could probably use a little sprucing up too. A well-maintained Pinterest is a powerful tool for getting eyes on your brand, so let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Step 1, goals, funnels, and strategy, the big picture. You're going to review and refine. That's take a good look at your Pinterest goals. Are they still aligned with your business objectives? Because that is super important. In order to get a Pinterest strategy, you have to first start with your Pinterest goals. You want to follow Pinterest best practices, and that will equal your strategy. Then funnel time. Dust off those sales and marketing funnels. Do they guide leads smoothly from Pinterest to your website? If not, create a new one or dust off and update the older ones, because we want to make sure that they're leaving from a pin, going to your website, and immediately being able to sign up and get that freebie that they want so that they get on your email list. Customer journey check. This is so important, and so many people miss doing this. Walk in your ideal client's shoes. Is their experience from Pinterest to purchasing seamless? When they click on a pin, do they go directly to the blog post or the page that's going to let them sign up for a lead magnet? Or is it very confusing and convoluted? Make sure you clean up that journey. Oftentimes too, part of that journey after they go to your website is to go to your Instagram and check and see if you're a real life person, find out how you deliver information, if you're live and you're talking on there and any reels, just a little bit more about you to really entice them to work with you. So you want to make sure that your profile image is the same as your Instagram one, because that is oftentimes part of that client journey. Launch lookout. Got exciting product launches or events coming up? Make sure that your Pinterest strategy reflects those, but also remember Pinterest is working on sort of the long term. It's just like a blog or a YouTube video. It takes time to get in and get into the system and have people find you. So you want to make sure that you have a landing page for a wait list or coming soon type of situation so that we can start driving traffic immediately to there. And then by the time you have that launch, you have a steady stream of people coming to that website and signing up for your launch, whatever that is. Step 2, keyword cleaning and trend spotting. It is time to tidy up that keyword list that you have, get rid of outdated terms, and really target fresh and relevant ones. Just like Google, keywords change all the time. There is no rhyme or reason. And a keyword or a string of keywords that is popular last year probably or might not be popular this year. So you want to make sure that at least every spring, I recommend every quarter, but at least every spring you want to go in and you want to update those keywords. Trend forecast. What's hot for summer and fall in your niche? Get ahead of the curve with some trend research. Spruce up old content, breathe new life into your old blog posts by adding relevant keywords. Boards need love too, so give your board names and descriptions a makeover with all of those optimized keywords that you have found and sprinkle them throughout. Step 3, profile polish. Checking settings. Make sure that your profile settings are up to date and working for you. Make sure that you've claimed any websites that you drive traffic to, that your name is correct, maybe update your profile description, all of that information. Picture perfect. Freshen up your profile and cover photo. Like I always say, people should know who you are and what you do in 2.5 seconds of landing on your Pinterest page. So make sure that that photo really represents that. Do they reflect your current brand as well? Bio boost. Tweak your bio, make it compelling and keyword rich, and also secret boards. time to hide those outdated or irrelevant boards. If you scroll down your Pinterest profile and some of the boards have not been pinned to for a year or more, hide those boards. Those boards are not going to be effective. Or you can update the title or the name of the boards, update the descriptions, and then start pinning more consistently to them. Step 4, content and design refresh. Top performers. Analyze your top or best performing pins by outbound clicks. What makes them so pinnable? Is it the image? Is it the keywords? Really pay attention and take notice of that so that you can use that in your strategy moving forward. Schedule savvy. Adjust your content creation calendar to prioritize Pinterest-friendly formats. Meaning, whenever you're creating content for marketing, if you're creating content for Instagram, make sure you make a pin size of that same design so that you can also pin it to Pinterest. Template tweak. Outdate those pin design templates for a really cohesive look and updated brand colors and feel and vibe. Brand boost. Update any brand or product or business photos to keep your pins looking their best. As I mentioned before, make sure that your profile picture is the exact same on any platform that you market on so that people can find you on their favorite platform if they maybe come across you on Pinterest. Step 5, pinning and scheduling smarts. Tailwind Tuneup. Review your Tailwind settings and subscription to optimize the best results. It may also mean that you should update your schedule in Tailwind. So oftentimes we set up this schedule and we set it and forget it. And believe it or not, as your Pinterest account grows, the time that pins should be seen is going to change. So go in and update that schedule within Tailwind. You'd be surprised the little boost that you get in analytics. Pinning and plan. Does your pinning strategy need a revamp? Time for some, if you were doing maybe one video a week on Pinterest and the rest were standard type pins. I know they're all organic pins, but the ones that are graphics, maybe you increase the videos to 2 videos a week, but continue to do the same graphic pins because those are kind of your foundation of your Pinterest and you don't want to stop doing those. Community cleanup. Boost your reach by ditching unhelpful Tailwind communities and finding new ones that are active and are going to be really good for you. In my membership, which you can find out about by going to thepinterestqueen.com/links, I have an amazing amount of information in there to help you pick your communities and be able to know which ones are going to actually give you the best results. Step 6, analytics deep dive. Data delight. Dive into your Pinterest analytics for the past 12 months and what insights can you find? Seasonal smarts. Note any trends that your business coincides with seasonally. If you are a toy company like one of my clients, obviously summertime going into the holiday season is big. So make sure that you're really pinning the most during that time and leading up to that time, like 3 months before that sweet spot of your schedule. Pin power. What are your top pins? Analyze why they're crushing it like we mentioned before. Is it the graphic? Is it the keywords? Make an educated guess and move forward with that strategy. Board brilliance, which boards are bringing in the most traffic, and metrics matter. Are there any new metrics that you want to start tracking? Now I have a surprise for you. Everyone's been waiting for it. We are doing a new challenge that is kicking off May 1st. It is going to be all about this spring refresh, but we're going to dive in deeper. And every single week, we're going to have a little bit of homework for you to refresh your Pinterest account and help to really move it forward into this next quarter. Have a great day. Bye.